One of my favorite places to shop and search for small bore parts and Honda Monkey parts, anything in general for the bikes that I have, is tbparts.com. Recently I was browsing their site and I came across this rear grab bar for the Honda Monkey. I thought this is a pretty cool little bolt-on. I was looking for more of a scrambler off-road style vintage look for the bike, and I had some big plans to attach some extra storage for my upcoming trip to the mountains. So let's get this thing installed. It's real easy, and I'll show you how to use it after. So that was pretty easy, wasn't it? Alright, so let's tell you my primary purpose for wanting a grab bar. First of all, I thought it looked cool, but aside from that, it's really useful too. When you're moving your bike around the garage or the shop, if you have tight confines like I do, it's really easy to grab the bike and not have to be in an awkward position when you're moving it around. Also, you can do stuff like that. You can lift it up and move that rear wheel around pretty easily. Also too, my 7-year-old Renan rides on the back of this bike with me now, so it's kind of nice to have that reference point for his rear end to know how far back he is on the seat, as well as have something to grab. In addition, we're going to install some gear on this bike that attaches to that grab bar in a later video, so keep posted for that one. Thanks for watching. If you guys liked it, throw me a like, subscribe, comment, whatever you got, let me know. Thanks for watching.